Hello, people. This might look like we have traveled back in time, but no. Today we are at an interesting place. It's one of a kind in the whole of India and very old one at that. 1893 to be precise. This is the Rewari Railway Heritage Museum, formerly known as Rewari Steam Locomotive Shed. This is the oldest and the only surviving steam loco shed in the country. This museum houses 10 of the world's oldest restored steam locomotives. This one is the most beautiful of the lot here. A few of them are still unrestored here, but this one seems to be the best of the condition. I like the name as well. Fairy Queen. Had my last name been Ambani, I would have bought this. This is the whole yard out here with all these engines. I like the wheels on these engines very much. Big bad wheels they are. Let's take a look inside. Very complicated controls these are. I get confused on the simplest controls on my antique bike. I switch the headlight on and the blinkers come on. I don't know how. Let's go back in time and imagine how they looked back then. Of course, our imagination is heavily influenced by the black and white televisions we had, so we tend to imagine old stuff in black and white. Big bad wheels. Okay, back to the present now. How do they even remember what is what in all these controls out here? I don't know. If I was the one driving it, probably it will never reach the destination. This one is called Akbar and was built in 1963. We have a whole platform designed here, and a lot of movies have been shot here, including Love Ajkal. Back to the Fairy Queen. I can't get enough of this, man. Let's go back in time again. Beautiful, isn't it? Built in 1855. Man, why am not an Ambani? Museum inside the museum. This is a small museum here that houses scale models of the engine and some other stuff. You can even buy one of the scale models if you want to. Antim Sitara. Okay, that is it, people. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. I'll see you soon.